Hello and welcome back to mySearch-U.com. My name is Jeff, and today we will be talking about the MyAptitude quiz. So what is the MyAptitude quiz? The MyAptitude quiz is a tool that we offer here at mySearch-U.com that is for people that don't quite understand or know what they want to do after college. It asks a series of questions and you answer these questions based off your likes and dislikes and your personality traits. And then in the end, it suggests a career field as well as majors that you can take while you're in college. It's a neat tool. I'm excited to show it to you. So let's get logged in and get right to it. So here we are. We're now on our login homepage. We see our name, our email address, and our membership status. There's two ways to access myAptitudeQuiz. Come up to the top. We have a link right here that says myAptitudeQuiz. Or we come down to our My Guidance Counselor section and we click the link for myAptitudeQuiz. We'll go ahead and click it. So here we have the page for myAptitudeQuiz. Just as I said before, this quiz is made for anyone who doesn't quite know what they want to study or do yet. Answer a few questions about your interests and we will suggest majors and careers that match you. All right, so let's run through this one time and let me show you what it's all about. Okay, so down here it says, what subject sparks your curiosity the most? All right, I am a science and math guy, so I'm going to select science and math. Okay. Within science and math, what kind of exploration or problem solving excites you the most? Discovering how living things and the environment work? That's interesting. Unraveling the mysteries of the physical universe from atoms to stars. Using logic and computation to solve problems and create systems, designing and building practical solutions and technologies. So I am going to go from unraveling the mysteries of the physical universe from atoms to stars. All right, when you think about physical universe, are you drawn more to understanding its fundamental building blocks and forces, or its vast cosmic structures and phenomena? All right. Let's see. Investigating the smallest particles and fundamental forces, quantum mechanics. Observing and understanding stars, galaxies, and cosmos. That's kind of neat. Developing theories and mathematical models to explain physical phenomena. See if you can say that 5 times fast. Designing experiments and test theories to discover new physical laws. All right, so let's do investigating the smallest particles. All right, your aptitude quiz results. You have a strong passion for science and math, specifically drawn to unraveling the mysteries of the physical universe. Your primary interest lies in investigating the smallest particles and fundamental forces, indicating a deep curiosity for quantum mechanics and particle physics. So it gives us a list of majors that they are suggesting. So physics, theoretical physics, mathematics. And all these have a small description of how they would benefit you. Now, if you are not sure that these are for you, you can take this quiz again. We have unlocked this feature to be able to take it as many times as you need in the free version and the paid version of mySearch-U.com. Hear horns in the background here. If you want to take it again, hit start over, or simply come up here and click the link to my aptitude quiz. If you're happy and you want to go see, if you want to be a physics major and you want to go ahead and see what colleges you are compatible with, select My Colleges or Find Colleges. It'll automatically populate the intended major and area of interest field, and then you go ahead and fill out the rest. All right, just wanted to show you guys a quick video of how my aptitude quiz works. Thank you for visiting our page once again. If you wouldn't mind, please like and follow. Share us with your friends. Check us out here on YouTube at MySearch-U or our website at mysearchu.com. We really appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below. Be happy to get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.